In this chapter, I am going to explain about the table in Microsoft Access. As you earlier studied about the Microsoft Access in class 7, Introduction to Microsoft Access. As you know that Microsoft Access is a application software of MS Office suite. Okay, so basically Microsoft Access is a powerful database software which is user to allow to create, manage and process data in the form of table. कहने का मतलब है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस के हेल्प से हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, डेटाबेस क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, उसको मैनेज कर सकते हैं उस एक टेबलर फॉर्मेट में, जो कि काफ़ी यूजफुल होता है हमारा डेटा रिकॉर्ड्स रखने के लिए. और हर एक टेबल में जो आपका इंफॉर्मेशन होता है, दैट पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इज नोन एज ए वैल्यू. Okay, and basically as you know that the tabular structure there is a rows and columns which make cells. So in a Microsoft Excel you will find a tabular structure through which we can create the database. When we save the database in Microsoft Excel, it automatically saved in a .accdb extension. As you know that every application has their extension file name. So similar to Microsoft Access, there is also an extension that is accdb. Okay, but in the previous of Windows Office 2007, it extension had .mdb. Okay, so current extension is .accdb and the previous extension that is the mdb. So keep in mind this fact. Database. First of all, we have to understand what is database. So database is what? It is a collection of data organized in a manner that allow access, retrieval and use of data. Database actually that is a collection of data in such a way that we can retrieve any kind of information very easily. Okay, so database, there is some database software and that is called the database management system. जो database software होते हैं उसको हम लोग database management system भी कहते हैं, which allow to create and computerize database, add, changes, delete, sorting, filtering, lots of things you can do with the database in the form of a table or in the form of a report you can generate from the database. Okay, so some popular database package software consists of tabular structure, and tabular structure is basically in the form of rows and columns. So we can say that a row in a table, a row is basically what? It is a horizontally. Row is a horizontally in a structure, and row in a table is called record, which contains the information of a given person, product or event. That means कहने का मतलब है जो रो जो होता है, जो हॉरिजेंटल लाइंस जो क्रिएट करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द रो. और वो क्या रो क्या स्टोर करता है? रिकॉर्ड को स्टोर करता है, जिससे रिकॉर्ड में हम या तो किसी पर्सन का नाम दे सकते हैं, पर्सन का डिटेल्स रख सकते हैं, या किसी प्रोडक्ट का या किसी इवेंट का. Whereas in the column in a table is called as a field, और उस कॉलम जो बनता है उस टेबल में, that is called the field, and it contains the specific information within a record. और वो रिकॉर्ड से रिलेटेड जो भी स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन है वो टेबल में फील्ड में रखा जाता है. So there are two factors here, that a row in a table is called a record and a column in a table is a field. So ये आपको याद रखना होगा, that should be reminded. Now tables in a database. Tables form the basis of any database. हमारा जो भी database बनता है, actually basically they are in the form of a tabular structure which consists of rows and columns. Okay, and from the tabular structure we can very easily create the database of any records and any fields, and in each table we should have a unique record that could be differentiated between them. और हर एक टेबल में जो भी है हमारा जो फील्ड होता है उसमें एक यूनिक रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए जो कि और सब रिकॉर्ड से डिफरेंशिएट करे. ठीक है, दैट मीन्स कि इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट ए डेटाबेस ऑफ ए कस्टमर, तो कस्टमर नेम इज नॉट अ यूनिक रिकॉर्ड बिकॉज इट मे बी सेम, but we should have to provide as a customer ID number that will be the unique. So there is a unique record ID in the table. It is mandatory to create the relation between the various tables in a database. अगर हमें बहुत सारे tables के बीच में database में ये रखना है, relations रखना है, then we should have a unique field. Okay, now how we start the MS Access? So MS Access can be start by using start button, click on all programs, Microsoft Office and Microsoft Access 2010 or 7. Then we will start MS Access, and after clicking on the MS Access 2010, then you will show this type of structure having a blank database there, and you should have a create button on the below. And whenever you want to create the blank database, then you should have to click on the create button. Okay. After creating the click button, then you will show interface having the two panes, that is the right pane and the left pane. In the right pane, there is a table structure having rows and columns, and the left pane, you will have a navigation pane through which we can move from the different tables that you have been created. तो इस तरह से दो टेबल्स, जो टेबल्स का इंटरफेस आता है, जो बेसिकली एमएस एक्सेल विच कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू पेन्स, एक राइट पेन होता है, एक लेफ्ट पेन होता है. राइट पेन में आपका टेबलर जिसमें क्रिएट करेंगे टेबल्स, रिकॉर्ड्स और फील्ड्स आप देंगे, और लेफ्ट पेन में आपका जो नेविगेशन पेन होता है, जो डेटाबेस का जो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनको वहां पे आप शो कर सकते हैं. So I hope so you can understand what is MS Access and what is the database and how the database looks like and how we open the database, that is the MS Access, in a computer. Okay, thank you everybody.